So I'm having some cereal for breakfast, and I got this at Target. It's pretty good for no added sugar. I'm using some almond milk, and I love this kind. I also got it from Target. If you are new here, my name is Gladia. Welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. I'm gonna start making lunch, and this is so simple but yet so delicious. I'm gonna be frying some plantain, roasting some bell peppers, and also making some couscous. As you can see, I am frying the plantain. Once I'm done, I'm gonna set it aside. I am gonna start chopping the bell peppers. I want this to be so beautiful. So I'm using orange, yellow, and red bell peppers. You can use any color. I'm also chopping some cilantro for a little garnish at the end. I'm also adding some seasoning on the bell peppers, and you can use any kind. I'm gonna roast the peppers at 400 for 10 to 15 minutes. I am gonna start making the couscous. I'm gonna follow the instructions on the back of the box. I'm also gonna add some seasoning, butter, and lime juice. If you don't like couscous, please give it a try with the lime juice. I think it adds a lot of flavor. If you don't like lime juice, that's okay. I made the couscous before adding the butter. This is the peppers right out of the oven. This dish has a lot of flavor, so when I'm eating it, I really don't crave any kind of meat. It is just so good. So I will be making some salmon for dinner. I am also going to be making some mashed potatoes and corn. First, I'm going to start boiling the potatoes. I'm going to add a little salt to the water. Once it's done, I'm going to add some coconut milk and a little black pepper to the potatoes. You can add anything you want to the potato. I will start seasoning the salmon, and you can use any kind of seasoning you have. You can either pan fry the salmon or bake it. I'm gonna bake mine. I wanted something kind of quick and easy, so I steamed up some corn. I added a little butter with some seasoning. It was good. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.